Welcome. Please find a comfortable seat, allowing your body to settle in a way that feels good for you. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes or soften your gaze towards the floor. Let's begin by setting an intention for this time together. I invite you to take a slow, deep breath in and out. Now, silently in your mind or softly in your heart, choose one intention for this session. It could be something you want to nurture, a feeling you want to welcome, or simply the wish to be present and peaceful. Take a moment now to hold that intention gently. Next, I invite you to think of one thing you are grateful for right now. Something simple or special, big or small. And feel the warmth of that gratitude filling your heart. And know that this moment is yours. A sacred pause in the middle of everything. A space to simply be, to breathe, to receive. So go ahead and let your hands rest softly. Let your shoulders drop and take a deep, gentle breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale peace. And exhale any tension you've been carrying. Let your breath become your anchor. Soft, steady, and soothing. Like a wave returning to shore. And as the breath begins to settle and the body gently softens into the moment, there is nothing that needs to be changed right now. No roles to hold, no outcomes to control, only awareness entering itself. Let the breath carry you deeper. Let the floor hold your weight. Let your awareness soften. You are not preparing for presence. You are not learning how to be still. You are remembering. And sometimes the remembering begins with a story. There is a doorway, and you don't need to see it. Only feel its presence behind the breath, behind the breastbone, behind the last thought you followed. You are not looking for it, you are letting it appear. And when it does, you step through easily, naturally, without effort. You arrive in a space you've been to before. Even if the mind doesn't remember, the body knows it. The field recognizes it. Your breath matches its rhythm. This is your sanctuary, not an idea, but a lived space within your awareness, where nothing is demanded and everything is allowed. You begin to walk slow, present, anchored. Feel the ground beneath you. Notice the temperature in the air, the way light exists here without a source. Everything here is reflection, every texture, a memory of safety. Perhaps there is a space for sitting, a quiet corner, a seat near water, a beam of light on the door. You don't choose it, it draws you in. So go ahead and sit down. And as you do, something inside recalibrates. There is no fixing, no healing agenda, no script, only coherence. Only the breath meeting the body, meeting the moment. You are not receiving something, you are remembering what it feels like to be held by what does not require performance. The spine softens, the jaw unlocks, the shoulders let go of the armor they forgot they were wearing. And the sanctuary accepts all of it. Because the sanctuary is built of your own breath, your own presence, your own field. let the body drop deeper now into the rhythm beneath the surface, where the mind has no job, where the story dissolves into silence. And if the nervous system brings something forward, perhaps a pattern, a pressure, a thought, you do not push it away. You make space for it here. Because nothing needs to be exiled from this sanctuary. Not even the parts that learn to brace. And so you sit, and the sanctuary holds. And the system begins to shift, not through force, but through welcome. There may be a message or not. There may be an image or only space. You may choose to place something here, a burden, an old role, a fragment of identity that no longer serves. Let it remain in this space. Let it be transmuted in the stillness that does not rush. You have remembered the way back. You have built nothing new. You only have recovered the original template, the one that was always yours. And know that you can return at any moment. Not through effort, but through exhale. And now, allow your awareness to rest in this space, not doing, not changing, just being. Remain here. Few more breaths, and let the field complete its work. And now, without needing to rush, begin to remember the breath, the space around the body, the room behind the eyes, the awareness of the spine, the contact of the body with the ground. Bring your awareness back into your room. And know that you are not leaving the sanctuary. You are taking it with you. So let the fingers move and let the shoulders roll. And let the body return as a body remembered. And when you open your eyes, do it slowly, letting the outside world meet the presence you now carry. No need to speak, only feel. Only breathe, only return.